been at VitalLife for the last 2 years. I came to Thailand a little over 2 years ago, and I heard about VitalLife and how awesome it was, especially for health and beauty, and so I wanted to experience it for myself. I was very concerned about my health and my weight, and just as I was turning 50, I thought I need to get myself into a better shape. So I came to VitalLife and I took some of the treatments. I did the ozone treatment, the Myers cocktail, as well as just working on the Weber laser treatment. And literally that changed my life. I have felt so good, invigorated, took the advice of those who gave me the advice from the nutrition, and I have been feeling wonderful ever since. I definitely recommend it to those of my friends and those people I know around me. My impression of VitalLife is that they are thorough in every way. My wellness treatments were completely head to toe an incredible experience. From the greeting to the doctors to the nutritionalists, I felt like I walked away with knowledge and wisdom, and I really do feel like I've been able to apply this to my life, and I feel the best I've ever felt. I want to celebrate VitalLife and their upcoming anniversary of 20 years. I want to say that you've been an incredible gift to Thailand, and I want to thank you from all of the expats here that live in Bangkok. Thank you for your investment in us and giving us the best treatment possible. Happy birthday.